This is the Triton T80 Pro-Fit electric shower. In this tutorial we're going to cover the cable and water entry points for the shower in detail. I'm just going to remove the cover. The top left screw, top right screw and the bottom screw have all been previously removed. I'll set aside the cover. As you can see on our installation, the water is coming in from the rear on the left as you look at it, and also the cable from the rear as you look at it. I'll move over to the table for a closer look at our cable entry points. Okay, we've moved over to the table. I'll just show you in a bit more detail where we can enter the shower. So we have at the top a top left as you look at it and a top right entry point into the shower. If these are not used, you're provided with blanks to cover the holes, and they just press in like that. You don't have to slide them in on this particular model. So we'll take that out. If I turn the shower the other way, we can also see you've got blanks for plumbing on the left and plumbing on the right, and a cable entry on both of those as well. And then taking the trim off, you've also got cable and water on the left and cable and water on the right for side entry. Put that out of the way. Okay, what you've got on this shower for water entry purposes, you've got one on the left and one on the right, and you have a blanking plug fitted. So dependent on which side you tend to use with your installation, always take the blanking plug out and fit it on the opposite end. If you don't do that, water will flow out of there when you put your supplies on. Okay, for the purposes of the demo, I'll just put it in the left hand side. What you also get in the packet is an extender tube. If you take the extender tube out, you have also got a 15mm nut and olive, which you can use to terminate your compression fitting. This normally fits on the right hand side as you look at it, and this will help with the plumbing coming down from the top right hand side, and will bring it in line with the tunnel for the water entry point. I'll remove that. On the left hand side here, this is how it would come out of the box. You've got a live and neutral and an earth termination, which can be moved over to the right hand side, which I'll demonstrate now. You just need a posi drive number 2, take out the screw just above the terminal block, move the terminal block over in its entirety, and there is a location point just on the back plate and one on the termination tray. If you put those in, that will locate, and as you can see, the hole now on the right hand side of the termination tray lines up with a hole in the back plate, which you then replace the screw, and that has then moved your cable from the left hand side over to the right hand side. That now concludes the tutorial for the cable and water entry points into the Triton T80 Pro-Fit. If you require any other information on the Triton T80 Pro-Fit or any other shower in the Triton range, please go to the Triton website or our YouTube channel.